everybody, it is the weekend and I'm about to get ready for lunch, and I'm thinking I'm going to make a medley of different kinds of meals. Do you want to see what we're making for lunch today? Let's get started. First things first, I've gotten these chicken breasts and they're already seasoned, so I'm going to give them to my husband and he's going to grill them, and I'm going to get some rice going. So I'm going to be making the arroz con pollo but without the pollo, so it's just going to be red rice, and I'm going to get some fajita mix going, so that'll be the first meal. But let me get all that going. So what I'm going to do now is just the fajita, or just chop up onions and bell peppers, put them in my pan. Have the onions go first because I like them a little more caramelized, and then it doesn't take too long for the bell peppers to cook. So I'll get those going. I got my rice going. My husband's outside. So this is going to be just some like tacos with some rice, and of course I wish I had my beans, but I don't. That's okay. But what I'm going to have my husband do is grill some hot dogs. So we'll have hot dogs for the weekend. We'll have chicken and, like a Mexican dish for the weekend. I'm also going to be making a cheese dip for Danny and Tina's tonight. So I'll show you what I'm doing with that. And then I'm going to bake some potatoes. So with all of these things, we should have plenty of meals for Saturday and Sunday to just go ahead and heat up. Easy go-to things. And I love it that way. This is going to make my weekend less stressful. I just added the corn, so I'm about to cover it up. Looking good. I'll get some more water in case I need to add that. And then my bells are ready to go into those caramelized onions. Are awesome. As soon as those chickens come off, we're gonna let them rest, and then my husband's gonna grill some Nathan's hot dogs. These are our favorite. We love Nathan's all beef hot dogs. We don't even grill anything that's not beef hot dogs. So these are our favorite. So I'll have these out too, because I'm not sure if the kids are gonna want burritos. I'm not sure, because it's lunchtime. They might just want a hot dog and some chips. But I am gonna have some baked potatoes going, because whatever is left over, we can probably put it on a baked potato at maybe tomorrow. So I am so excited to have lunch. I even made, in that bowl back there, I just crushed up an avocado and threw a tiny little bit of lemon juice and some salt and pepper. I just love avocados. Who out there loves avocados? They're one of my favorites too. So bell peppers are done with the onions. We're just waiting on that rice, and the chicken almost getting going. We're almost there. I can taste it in sight. Can we talk about how big Costco potatoes are? That's like as big as my head. A full meal right here. So whatever leftovers we have, we'll just put them on here. Hopefully a little cheese sauce, maybe some chicken. For the kids, they might just want, them fried up, or just some potatoes, plain potatoes. But either way, these will be ready. So I'll even probably cook these tomorrow morning. But they are prepped, ready to go. I thought I'd come and check on the chicken. Check on Paul. How's it going?
Good.
Those look so good. Look at those.
They do.
They're really thick. So we definitely need to use our food thermometer. We actually got that one from a company named House Smile. And we love using meat thermometers, right? We've used them in the past.
We do. They're very handy, because if you are grilling, especially where you don't control the temperature of your grill as much as an oven, then you can just check the middle of it, and you don't want to keep cutting into your meat to see if it's done, because the more you cut into the meat, the more juice comes out, and your meat can get really dry. Mm-hmm. So it's pretty convenient that it has the temperature of what your meat should be at on the inside when it's done.
Like a guide.
So chicken should be
perfect
around 175 degrees when it's done on the inside.
Mm-hmm. Plus, you don't want to overcook things, right?
Correct. Don't want to overcook them, and definitely don't want to undercook them.
Yeah, great. I can't forget to show you how I'm putting together the cheese dip to take over to the Phillips house. It's just a box of this that I got at Costco, and I'm going to put 2 cans of these. And that's pretty much it. But I'll show you what it looks like. It's so good. And there it is. It's starting to get bubbly. It's starting to boil through. It is so good. And of course, I have to have some already. Yum. Great for a party. So here's our lunch. I just have to shred that chicken, cut it up. There's our rice. Oh, yummy, right? I'll start opening things up. Ooh, nice and hot. And then I have a little guacamole. I love this cheese. And of course, there's hot dogs and chips. Now, this should last more than one meal, I'm hoping, until tomorrow, right? Thanks for coming to my channel and seeing what we were eating for lunch today, and hopefully for dinner and lunch tomorrow. We'll see. I have a bunch of boys. But if you're interested in this thermometer, I have a link in my description box that's a really handy kitchen tool to have, and it's very inexpensive. So it's one of those things you should have. I see Ezra down there. Anyways, have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, a wonderful evening whenever you're seeing this. But come back. You never know what I'll be rolling out next.